Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Terry's equipment from Missouri. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. This unit does not ring, so the bell is not working. So we want to troubleshoot the bell and bell circuit. We want to go through the hook switch. We also want to take a look at the network. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive, the handset cord, and the line cord. Now this unit is in very good condition for its age, but it does have a normal problem that most all the plastic body 302s have. There is a little small crack in the corner on the right side because the plastic would shrink up, and that's pretty normal with this type of telephone. We also want to take a look at the modular line port adapter. And this plug, the clip is broken, so we want to replace that also. So we'll take care of that issue. Now Terry will also install a dial center card and ring after the repair of this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup connected to the network on the inside of this telephone so that you can hear the audio on a final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We went ahead and cleaned, oiled, and adjusted the rotary, and we have a nice, smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, January 24th. The current time, 11:55 p.m. and the temperature, 19 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call another number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Terry and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.